Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking what you already have: strength, flexibility, balance. Once done, list 1 or 2 clear weaknesses so you know what to improve. Next, you research nearby schools and compare style, lineage, schedule, fees, and commute. This narrows choices quickly. Then you arrange trial classes, bring light workout clothes, water, and a positive attitude. Try both traditional and modern programs. This shows you how instruction differs. Make sure to take notes after each session so you can decide objectively. Once enrolled, build a 3 times weekly routine that balances warm-up, technical drills, conditioning, and cool-down. Consistency beats intensity early on. You should spend focused time on fundamentals: stance, footwork, basic strikes, and breathing rhythm, because these underpin all higher techniques. Make time to work directly with instructors for personalized correction. They see blind spots faster than you do. Also, record short video of sessions weekly to track progress and spot recurring errors. Over time, adapt your routine to address the most persistent weaknesses. You finish by integrating sparring, forms, and partner drills in a staged way. Start at low intensity and increase by small steps, like 10-20% increments. Make cross-training part of your plan. Mobility, strength, and recovery work 2 extra days weekly will prevent injury and accelerate gains. Once skills mesh, test yourself in low-stakes settings to measure readiness. If progress stalls, troubleshoot, revisit fundamentals for 4 to 6 weeks, or consider a different instructor who matches your learning style. That often breaks plateaus quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.